somebody. So just kind of, if there's a couple people here, stop to where you're not going to happen. So now you understand we're going to stop. So make sure when you go, just stop. Don't stop right direct by, and don't pull the clutch in so early. Okay, like almost to where it's about to stall, then pull the clutch in, because then you want help from the rear wheel that actually helps slow you down, okay?
All right.
Go ahead.
Shut the throttle, you're getting a little bit more leverage so you're not catching throttle and brakes. All right? Yeah, you're good to go. Nice and early. Think about rotating that knee out, and as you're coming to a stop, get that inside foot out so the bike will fall to that side. We're kind of on the high side and getting the wrong foot out, but beautiful job with that. It's a really nice job with the brake pressure. Wait, just checking. Okay, go ahead.
Almost, right? Really just kind of feeling that last little bit. Just really playing, yeah, that last little bit, that last spot kind of chauffeur. We're slowing to a stop, not stopping to a stop, right? We're releasing to a stop, not stopping to a stop. So we want to be releasing it to the stop rather than, okay?
feel like I'm putting more weight on my inside foot. I feel like I'm consciously making that turn.
Okay.
But now I'm getting hung up on my blipping.
Okay. All right.
Maybe added too many things. I need to back up a little bit and just focus on my feet.
Yeah, let's work on one thing here. Let's just work on that foot position and brakes for this stroke.
I don't think I'm applying all of my braking pressure early. I'm half-assing it right into you guys, and then applying more and more and more as they get closer.
Yeah,
reverse
let's try to flip that. Yeah.
Will do.
Come at us a little quicker.
Okay.
All right. Just find an open spot, carry a little bit more speed in there. I want you to really see it kind of playing with that brake pressure versus being like, kind of check up and then you don't really
build it up.
play with it.
Forgot to downshift.
But you pulled the clutch in, it's fine. So really feeling that. How's that? Anybody pull it on your bike yet?
No.
Okay, put it in neutral for me. All right, so I want you to hold me with the brakes, and then when I say slowly release me. So slowly let me go, release the brakes, release, now stop me, stop. Feel that dive?
I did.
A little smoother, right? So let me go, now stop me, now hold me, now slowly let me go. Feel that, even the release is a little there, but feel that, that's that micro adjustments, that's that 1-point hand, okay?
Okay.
So feel that out. If it's clear, right, try to brake a little later and see if you can still be smooth.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Cool. that adjustment. I want to see a little bit more slowing while the bike's straight up and down, so you feel more like you're giving up, tipping in, versus going to it smooth and being like, oh, and having it build. So let's try to take advantage of that no lean angle. We got lots of brakes available.
Stop. How was it?
A little choppy at the end. I tried to apply more heavy braking pressure earlier and get all of that done while I was straight up. But then I realized I was too far away from you guys, and I kept having to let it out a little bit. And when I came to my final stop, I chucked like
just a little abruptness there. So let's work on that smoothness. Still, we got maybe like a 2-point hand now.
Okay.
So let's keep working on it. Let's get that 1-point hand going.
I will. I will.
Try to be smooth with that release, okay? Can we pull on your bike?
Yeah.
Okay, feel that help?
Yes, yeah. I'm gonna walk around with it too and do the 1-point release.
Yeah, push it with one point on.
Yeah, because like I was saying, I thought that's where my bike engaged, but it isn't. It's back here.
There we go.
Maybe what I ought to do is push it out. Let's see what that does.
Yeah, if it's a little closer, usually we can be more finesse. Okay? Just making sure it doesn't start hitting your other fingers.
Shouldn't.
Okay. Yeah, just be on the lookout for that.
I think I'm good.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you.
Fantastic on that one.
Excellent. tried to push the braking point a little bit later.
Yeah.
Thought I could modulate it into the turn.
Yeah.
Realized I can't.
Yeah. Well, just at that speed, like we're kind of actually coming to a stop. Biggest thing for you,
Yeah.
we are still, breathe, of course, but we're going into a left-hander. Even though we're still staying right here,
Yeah.
set the corner up.
Okay.
The bike's gonna go straight if you continue. Set the thing up so you're getting comfortable braking already set up and start leaning in. Then at the end, you're just gonna stand it up and stop right here. You wanna be
Okay.
off the left side of the motorcycle. Doesn't matter that we're standing right here. I still want you prepared for the left-hander being on the left side of the motorcycle.
Okay.
Your butt.
My butt. Yeah.
Make sense?
Yep.
Okay.
The breathing I forgot about.
Yeah, you gotta breathe.